Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick productivity tutorials like this. Today, I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with LinkedIn so you can schedule meetings directly from your profile and make networking effortless. First, make sure you're logged into both LinkedIn and Calendly. Having both accounts open ensures a smooth setup process. On your Calendly homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly lists all the platforms it can connect with. Scroll down until you see LinkedIn and click on it. You'll see an option to download for Chrome. This is the extension that links Calendly to your LinkedIn profile. Click Download for Chrome and your browser will open the Chrome Web Store. Here click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, the Calendly extension will be active in your browser, giving you quick access to your scheduling link anytime you're on LinkedIn. Now, when you visit your LinkedIn profile, you can easily share your Calendly link in messages, posts, or even your profile summary, making it simple for connections to book time with you. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Calendly with LinkedIn, giving you a faster, more professional way to manage meeting requests without endless back and forth messages. If this was helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick LinkedIn and productivity tips.